a famous historical city.
It's experienced a profound evolution of making with wisdom in China. In Guangzhou, founded Intelligent Automation Equipment Company Limited, equipment integration company, was born with a gene of precision metal processing.
UV printer is not subject to the restrictions of printing materials and can print on bland materials like glass, tile, ceramic cup, aluminum plate, crystal, PVC, acrylic, metal, wood, cell phone case with material like PC or PU and give us colorful pictures. It does not need making play, but presents us a finished product at one-time printing with vivid and vibrant color, which is wear-resistant, anti-ultraviolet. This printer is easy and convenient to operate and prints with a high speed, and its picture precision can achieve the industrial-level printing standards.
UV printer, applied industry, comprehensive service system, all-in-one multi-purpose printer.
R&D and production team of Fengda's UV printer are well developed, whose technological backbones have years of industry experience and pragmatic craftsmanship, which were merged into excellent product technological indicators and shared with their customers. They bring the best benefit for the customers with professionalism and dedication, and also making unremitting efforts and exploration for the development of the world's printer technology at the same time.